This 2023 Chevrolet Equinox is brought to you by Twins, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Chevrolet is powered by all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, turbocharged gas i4 1.50 87 engine, and has 82,712 miles. Drive your dreams with this 2023 Chevrolet Equinox. Style, comfort, and reliability await. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.